Class 6 Maths, place value till 7-digit number. So in this class we will read about the place value till the number or till 7 digits. So first we will write the place values. So these are ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. These place value comes under the 7-digit number. For example, we will put any number there. Now we will write. It's 12,46,541. So in place value, we will see in which place the number is. In ones place is 1, in tens there is 4, in hundred there is 5, in thousand there is 6, in 10,000 there is 4, in lakhs there is 2, and in 10 lakhs there is 1. If you have to write these numbers in numeral, we will write like this. So 12,46,541. So according to this, we will write the given number in the words or in the numerals. So and we also separate these numbers in the Indian place value according to the comma or by using the commas in the given number. जैसे कि हम लोग कोई भी नंबर है, जैसे कि सेम नंबर है, हम उसको नोट डाउन करते हैं. अब इन नंबर्स को सेपरेट कर देते हैं ताकि it is easy for us to read and also to understand. So जैसे कि तीनों आता है ones, tens और 100, ये ones के ग्रुप में आता है. And again 1000, 10,000 comes under 1000 group, and lakhs and 10 lakhs comes under lakhs group. So according to this Indian place value में ऐसे ही हम लोग numbers को arrange करते हैं या फिर लिखते हैं. So ones, tens और 100 के बाद एक comma, 1000 and 10,000 के बाद एक comma. So we will read this number. It's 12,46,541. So in this exercise, we will learn the place value of 7-digit number and also use it to represent the different things. Now we will come to the question. So for example, if there is a question, $42,34,509. So we have to write by putting commas and writing words according to Indian place value system. So at first what we'll do, we'll draw a place value chart starting from ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh, and we'll put the number according to their place in which they are. 9 in one place, 0 in tens, 5 in 100, then 4 in 1000, 3 in 10,000, 2 in lakhs and 4 in 10 lakhs. Now put the commas after 100, then after 10,000, and now we'll write the numbers in the words. So it's 42 lakh 34,000 509. So this is example of our question number 1. In question number 1 also we have to put commas and write the given number in the words. Now next question. Now question number 2. If the question is given in words, for example, 36 lakhs 4,000 300. Now we will have to write using comma and in number form. So at first again सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे हम लोग प्लेस वैल्यू मैनेज करेंगे इसका lakhs ones tens 100 thousand 10,000 lakhs and 10 lakhs. Now अब इसको देखेंगे कि there is no this written in one sentence. It starts from 100. So ones में 0 हो जाएगा, tens में 0 हो जाएगा, and 100 then again 3, then 4,000. So we'll write in 1004 and 10,000 में we will again put the 0. Then there is 36 lakhs. In lakhs there is 6 and 30. So it comes 36 lakhs 4,300. Now we'll put the commas. So according to this, we will complete question number 2. Now the next topic is we have to put sign. Because all these things we have read in previous class in class 5, so I'll only explain the basic thing. The next question is put greater than, smaller than, or equal to sign. So for example, if a number is 0, तो फर्स्ट क्या करते हैं हम लोग इसके डिजिट्स को काउंट कर लेते हैं. कितने डिजिट्स हैं? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and here also 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we'll start from the left hand side. Left hand side से हम लोग सबका डिजिट्स चेक करना स्टार्ट करेंगे कि कौन सा ग्रेटर है, और जो ग्रेटर होगा उसको हम लोग साइन पुट करेंगे. तो फर्स्ट in 10 lakhs there is 3, again 3, then 9 4 4 2 2 3 3 5 5 and here is 6 and there is a 0. So we will put the greater sign in 39,42,356. Now after that, next topic is arrange in ascending order. Examples of numbers are given. So the first number is 14,36,104. The next is 23,408. Then again 34,10,342. and the last number is 9,89,800. So we have to arrange in ascending order, means in increasing order. So first we will write the smallest number from the lot. So as we see, the number 23,408 consists the lowest digit, so it will be our smallest number. And after that, 9,89,800. Then, now these both numbers consist of 7 digits. So first we will start from the left hand side, from the 10 lakh place value. So here it is 1 and here it is 3. So the smaller will be 1, so we will write 14,36,104. And the last number is 24,10,342. And if we have to arrange the same number in descending order, what we will do? So in descending order, it is also called decreasing order. So we will arrange the same number here in descending order. Or in decreasing order. So in descending order, we will write the greater number first and the smaller number at the last. So first we will write this 34,10,342. Then 14,36,104. Then 9,89,800. And at last we will write the 23,408. So just like this, we will arrange in ascending and descending order. So in this video, we will be getting a link about the questions of your book, and you have to solve from question number 1 to 5. And I have tried to solve each and every question given in your book. So try to complete it. And in the next video, you will be getting the solution of all these questions. Thank you.